for all of you who are caring for a loved one or a family member with ill health. No amount of worry or guilt will make them better. In fact, it stresses you out and is damaging the relationship, and this is not what we want. Their health is not your responsibility. Of course you want them to get better, but this may not be a choice they have, or they may not be aware of the power they have to heal themselves. In any case, how much you worry is not going to make a difference. The good news is that you have a choice about how you relate to them and how you feel about this. Guilt and worry are sinking feelings. They're also very addictive, so we often confuse them for love because we feel we owe it to the people that we care and love. However, love has an uplifting motion as a feeling. So we can clearly see that worry and guilt is not love. And love is the feeling originally intended for your relationship before ill health came into the picture. In grief, we don't miss how much we were worried about the person we loved. In grief, what we miss is that we didn't love them enough during the time that we had. So if time cannot be taken for granted in your relationship with a loved one, make sure that love is the feeling that's flowing freely and intensely between the two of you. It's the connection that we miss, not the sinking feeling of worry and guilt. For these holidays, I wish you and your loved ones free-flowing love. Shed the baggage and don't be consumed by worry or guilt, but actually be present, fully present for the people you love these days. Take good care. Lots of love from Eudaimonia.